Natutire gita ria mbere kana ria ile kweria guita gabana kana mwangaza gitine gireria mbere ria mwakene yangirele 22 atambete kinye kuthutiria giti kya ngabana magamba yele ya guita gitine yedirite tunyirani koti yare kinyaria yana nende jodincheke thire kela irwawe na MCA zindi rwaria rutagwithika maita yele na kinyithito mbunge ya Senate indi ono kwana nende ria thatu weru bokyo bwethira bwitumana Rugendo RWARIA KAWIRA GITINE kya ngabana yabrupudetwe ni muthuri Muriuki.
KAWIRA MWANGAZA agitonya gitine kya ngabana kagite karanyunya muma augira ketha kithingatira watho na katiba Kenya.
And that I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya.
Indi nandi kulingana na MCA ba kaunti Meru baraba thulika gita karatonya gitine ibona bagita gutati na wira ne bubwawe bakiambia kumwita maitia mieri mikai nyuma gutonya gitine. Assembly ya Meru ilete RWARIA no gwita KAWIRA tena maita JATANO itara mbere bakogeria betho bakirungi kwa koti indi amana bubure JAIRI MC NDMK kiogora etho akiombana na RWARIA gwita gavana gitine ya JAIRI rotharu ikuruka.
Reward the governor for the misdoings, and the rewards are set forth, Mr. Speaker, according to the law. And Mr. Speaker, it's Christmas. Christmas is coming, and I urge this House to give her a befitting Christmas gift of sending her home, Mr. Speaker, to rest, because she is mismanaging this county.
Aja nandi RWARIA ruru rotharuke wakanya kaguta nyomba seneti ya mbere na aja nandi nyume kure biure kathumba na kuwa ketho agita ngwibwega.
Do you really have the capacity to bring Meru together? Do you have the capacity to lead Meru? Thank you.
Yes, Honorable Senator, I have the capacity to lead Meru, and not only capacity, but extra capacity, because of the grace by God, the spiritual anointing added to the political will makes it big. And just give us time, Meru will be the best county among the 47 counties of Kenya.
Kukurukira kamiti re thuja mandu jaja mbetho bakiwa KAWIRA temete na jio agichoka kairi Meru.
All the 11 members agreed and recommended to this House in this report that the charges, Mr. Speaker, none of them was proved or substantiated.
Amna bobu nandi kucheneji katika kaine MCA jetha ikita na mbere.
Na ito kwenda kwira wananchi betu kwatuika kiundu bukwenda uthithirwa bukaringire MCA thimu muringire ni order administrator kana buringire gavana wengwa nontu arugia no keja kurita ngugiu na umaci.
Ande ndienda kwira baraba ku drive na threats bagogania KAWIRA isampli makagwa na threats bago jamani ya wrong number. Oh, bauga bakale tamata zimbatulia maru. Kuna utege into ya queue.
Amana bubu nandi RWARIA gwita KAWIRA gitene JATHATU rutharukeja no wali mutongirio bainge mbunge neti no Evans Mawira.
And standing order number 65 of the standing orders of the Assembly providing for the impeachment of county governors.
Honourable members, and the governor stands impeached by the County Assembly of Meru. Thank you.
Kirwarira Mawira gavana KAWIRA MWANGAZA agwati na maitia mugwanja jonde nani nyombe seneti bakimweberia gavana Meru agitoka Meru kairi igeria nandira jana na gwita KAWIRA MWANGAZA gitine ria tongere twizipora kinya.
The Assembly therefore resolves to impeach the governor of Meru under the Article 181 of the Constitution, Section 33 of the County Government Act.
Indi amana bubu nyuma kwa baletero wali mbunge neji KAWIRA MWANGAZA na kinyire kotini koti kirungi kaunti bubu kituminalize ndikei ethura kebeberia muzona juo.
For my 20 years I've been in the judiciary, this is the most difficult case I've ever handled. And it's coming at a time when I was just appointed as a judge. But nevertheless, I really have to move on. I have to make a decision.
Kiriba baingi bajena ndi MC baba bakona kirigiria giki bakethwa betigana na rwarira kwinga ngavana indi na nditira jatano MC okorotwa nwezipora kinya ethwa kireta rwariruru tukikuruka kimbunge ya Meru.
The results are that the ayes have it and the motion is passed and the governor stands impeached by the county assembly of Meru.
Na maite JATHATU janga vana kora MWANGAZA rati tangina jo seneti ethwa kitikaniria na ethwa gitwa gitine.
And Standing Order 86 of the Senate Standing Orders, the Senate has resolved to remove from office by impeachment Honorable KAWIRA MWANGAZA, the governor of Meru County, and the governor accordingly ceases to hold office.
Mwankira nandi kira geteri ni konega mbalale kinyote kwaltini nandi da kuregana na uge bwa seneti ni mokondo jwe kuregana kijukia. Muthuri Murioki, Oro TV, Mutirinyo Kangangi.